In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Dragon Fist gloves in Once Human. This is actually fairly simple. You have to press B on your keyboard first and then right click to go inside Facilities and Function Facility and obtain a mail. Click on it and then you want to place it down somewhere in your territory. Now I have it right here in front of me. You then want to walk up to it and press the F key on your keyboard to access it. In here, you have a bunch of mail, but the one you want to look for is this one actually, which is called Once Human officially launches with PRE registration rewards. And in here, it says 2 of 2 by the way. The sender is V, says a bunch of text, and down below you can get a bunch of things. As you can see, what you can do is click claim down here and you'll get this Dragon Fist gloves as well as a bunch of other things from this package. So simply press claim and you'll be able to claim these, and that's it. So if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.